Ladies and gentlemen, we got some massive news from Sofi today that's sending their stock back over $16 per share. We have to break everything that you need to know down in this video. But first, of course, take a sip of your coffee, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your 30, you heard that right, 30 free stocks from Moo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks like before, but now deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And now, cheers. Let's break down Sofi, the charts, some news that we got, which is insane. Let's do it. So Sofi is up almost 5% on the day. We're trading at $16.25 right now after closing in the mid-15s yesterday. And I think at one point, were we not in the 14s yesterday? Yeah, in the pre-market yesterday, guys, we were under $15. We were at $14.70, 80 cents, and now we are up big time from that point. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, it's pretty clear that we are up a whopping 20% off the lows from just about, a couple days ago, guys? Really not that many days ago. So Sofi is doing very well. This week has been exactly what the bulls wanted to see, a nice bounce back week, and now the trend is slowly starting to reverse. But before we dive deeper into the charts here, guys, which you're going to want to see that later in the video, let me show you the news that we just got. We got to get this news out in the beginning of the video, guys. I don't want to hold you guys captive here. So we can see right here, straight from Sofi Investor Relations, you guys see it right here, news details. Let me zoom in a little bit. Sofi and PGIM Fixed Income announced a $525 million securitization agreement, signaling continued demand for personal loans, which you guys know Sofi deals with personal loans, of course, student loans, home loans, you name it, right? So if we let's take a look here. Today they announced a $525 million personal loan securitization agreement closed in Q4 2024 with funds and accounts managed by PGIM Fixed Income, one of the largest global fixed income managers with, are you ready for this? $859 billion in assets under management, including $120 billion in public and private securitized credit assets under management. And the transaction follows a $350 million investment from PGIM back in May 2024. So the fact that they're coming back, another $525 million, that's a very good sign. And it builds on the $3.9 billion in personal loan collateral Sofi sold or securitized to date through the end of Q3 2024, illustrating the value of the company's leading personal loan business. And it looks like here Edwin Wilches, managing director and co-head of securitized products at PGIM Fixed Income, said Sofi's personal loans represent an attractive investment opportunity for PGIM, and we're thrilled to deepen our relationship with the company, which is good. Maybe more business down the pipeline, right, guys? And we continue to expand our platform as an asset-based finance lender and source investments that provide compelling risk-adjusted returns for our clients with partners who put their customers first. And we can see here Anthony Noto, of course, the CEO of Sofi, the man, the myth, the legend himself. He said the investor demand we see for Sofi's personal loans underscores the quality and strength of our lending business, which this is huge. I mean, they're not just giving personal loans out to anybody, right? These are quality, loans they're giving out to people that have credit, right? They have the credit. So again, he said this shows the quality and strength of SoFi's lending business, which continues to contribute meaningfully to our durable growth. Again, that's what Noto said. He also said, we are grateful for PGIM's long-standing partnership as we help more of our members get their money right. I love it, guys. I couldn't be more happy. I mean, today's news, let's see what else here. There's more, it looks like. Comes on the heels of strong demand for SoFi's loans and the capital markets with a range of transactions representing partners' unique investment goals. Let's see here. The company announced in Q4 2024 a $2 billion agreement with Fortress Investment Group to expand its loan platform business. I believe we did cover this recently. But yeah, guys, big news. The partnership with PGIM Fixed Income, well, it's expanding, which is really good news as SoFi shareholders, right? I mean, I'm loving this, guys. And it's sending the stock, going back to the charts here, it's sending it up a lot. Like I said, we're up 20% over the last couple of days, and we're finally starting to break out. And before we cover the charts more in depth here, guys, make sure to get onto the email list. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you guys this, but I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday for free, completely free, right to your email. And I just sent out an email a couple of days ago to over 2,200 people. So if you guys want to be a part of the email list, get my top 3 stocks every week, sign up. It's linked down below in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. So as we peel the layers back a bit on SoFi's chart, we can see now we're fully starting to reverse pretty much, right? We're breaking out of 1550. Like I said a couple days ago, that's a level we have to break. Now we're back over 16. Loving it. We have a golden cross on the 1-hour chart. We're taking out the highs from earlier this year, which is great. And now we're approaching, it looks like, the mid-16s, which you guys can see that was the high from the end of last year, right? And I think if that level breaks, we're going right back to 1750, which you guys know is the high on this 4-hour time frame. So, guys, I think it's safe to say SoFi is starting to fully break out again. If we pull up this channel that we outlined in a recent video, let me redraw this actually, guys. It's not looking the best. Let me do it one more time here. There we go. So we can see we're breaking out of this channel, right? We took out the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, breaking out of this channel, which is great. We were in it for a couple of weeks. Now we're getting to the high from the end of last year, 1650, 1660, which I guess really is the only resistance between us and that high on the 4-hour chart. Not the all-time high, but the high on this 4-hour chart. I think the all-time high is what, $25 on SoFi, $28. Okay, so we're still a ways off of that. But you know, if we get out of this 1650 level, break out of 1730, the mid-17s, we could be getting closer and closer to that all-time high, right? So, yeah, man, technically speaking, SoFi is looking phenomenal right now. We're breaking out, heading into earnings, which are coming up not this Monday, but the Monday after on the 27th of January. So, yeah, I'm in the stock. I'm sure a lot of you guys are in it. Let me know if you want what your average cost is, what your plan is. Are you buying more, selling, holding? And for me, guys, I'm just holding on. I'm holding on tight right now. My average cost is $6.80, and I'm pumped. I'm pumped about the news, and I'm pumped at how the charts are looking as we're kicking off the new year. So, guys, make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money. That is linked down below. We're almost at 1,000 subs on that second channel. And guys, get your stocks from Moo before you click off. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And I just realized, guys, I think I screwed up the promo. It's $2,000. I forget what I said. But you get 25 more stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, guys. You get 30 stocks. It's a no-brainer. So, yeah, use that link down below. I screwed up the outro here, guys. It's all good. Use that link or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. It's the reality of being a YouTuber here, guys. You screw it up sometimes. With that being said, cheers. I'll catch you later.